I'm going to give you some tips on how to use oils to regrow your hair or edges. So we have Kaleidoscope, Jamaican black castor oil, we stock all of that. But today I am going to show you how you're going to get the results. The first thing is apply your oils in the morning so that you do not lie down and rub them off. Number 2, use 2 to 3 drops and you are good to go. You don't need too much to get a growth. Number 3, be sure to wash your hair at least once or twice in a month. So once a week or twice in a month, because you might get buildup from using the oils and you need to cleanse and refresh your scalp. Again, when using these oils, you can mix them up. Most often you may want to get 2-3 oils to see results, right? So you can mix them up and use them. Now when you mix them up, remember that every oil has a shelf life. So my advice is usually mix enough, use it up before you mix another one, because some oils will take like 12 months to go bad, some might take 6 months. So you realize that you might end up keeping an oil for about 8 to 9 months, which is already bad. Next, when using the oils, look out for droppers. This is easier compared to this. So when you use a dropper, you do not come into contact with the oil directly, and so you do not tend to use too much. The droppers are able to control the flow of the oil, so you know how much you're using, and that also makes it very clean for you to use, even when you're in braids, cornrows, weaves, or wigs. Next, if you have cornrows or wigs or weave on or whatever style and you want to use oils, please do not use them every day. What will happen is that you might cause your hair to smell. Twice a week is fine. Again, you do not need a lot of oils to see the growth. If you also have problems with your nape, that is the back, where some may have a lot of hair loss there, the advice I give is get a shower cap that will protect that part of your hair. If not, you can also get a hairband to protect that part of the hair. Now, to regrow that part, the first advice is make sure you apply a little oil every day before you take your bath. What it does is that it protects the hair against the water, so the water does not really get into the hair. It's like a protective cover. So if you have issues with hair loss around the nape area, be sure to use your oil before you take your bath. Lastly, when going to buy oils, you can also ask the seller for the shelf life of the oils. As I mentioned, some oils are supposed to be used up within 12 months of opening, some within 6 months of opening, some within 24 months. Find out before you purchase.